And we are live. Hello, everyone. Good evening, good evening, good evening. In the Philippines, it's 10:01 in Manila. It's 10:01 morning in the States, in Eastern time zone, or it's 7 in the morning California time. And it is actually 5 in the afternoon there in New Zealand, if you are, sorry, in UAE. All right. And then I hope I'm actually um, live already. Hindi na tayo nakamute, right? Good morning, good morning. This day is extra special because nakikita nyo dyan sa baba sa ilalim, we have a small ticker na nakalagay. We are already 10,000 plus subscribers, guys. So congratulations, congratulations. Medyo pagbihin nyo si Coach today yung energy ko baka bumaba because I've been doing live since 5. Tapos meron pa tayong mahabang learning session kanina where we covered candlesticks reading, technical analysis, no? Level 201 analysis. So if you were my student kanina and you attended the 5 o'clock, kaway-kaway sa'yo, congratulations for bearing up with Coach Miranda Minor. And someone is in Micronesia night, Nida SPN 670, right? Yeah. Good evening from Panabo City. Hey, Melody. Wow, okay. Ray Santiago, yehey. Samantha, happy 10K subscribers. Yes, thank you, thank you. Thank you sa pagtuturo sa amin, Coach. More power. RV, hello. Thank you for joining. Jordan, everyone. Okay, guys, let's dive right into our session for today. No, so a couple of information that is quite new today. By the way, guys, no, let's make sure we read the latest video that na release natin today. The video is about personality assessment, so it's important you get to know your personality. Okay. All right. So let's quickly go on to the news today. Let's click on the latest and greatest. I think that the usual viewers is umatenda ng 5 o'clock. That's why we're still down to 53. No, so we'll continue. I'm not sure if you've heard Pizza Dow celebrate its Bitcoin Pizza Day with a 1 million slice giveaway. So, sino mga nakatake advantage ng pizza dyan? Let me know. So, let's read this news. Nagutom tuloy si Coach. Sino may magandang loob, padala naman ng pizza dyan. I'm here in Pasig. And medyo mahalumigmig yung simoy ng hangin dito sa may area where I'm doing my live kasi kaharap ko yung balcony, no, medyo malamig yung simoy ng hangin. So nakakagutom, sarap magkape at magpizza na may hot sauce, di ba? Sarap nun. So anyways, to celebrate Pizza Coin Day, a group of incredible strangers on the internet is treating people worldwide to a million free slices. No? So the project Pizza Dow's Rare Pizzas is providing this spy bounty by selling thousands of non-fungible tokens in the metaverse. No? Thousands of pizza NFTs from all over the 300 artists have sold from roughly 1.5 million since March 2021. Really, really interesting. Lost Pizza DAO 9. The update is live. Rare Pizza website is upgrade is looking real sweet. Rare pizzas, nakakagutom, ang sarap-sarap. But I know some of you have been doing this earlier. So if you were able to make sali of this, so congratulations sa inyo. They're actually commemorating their first commercial transaction. BTC was way back down negative 7.24 as of the currency. As of May 2010, no? And then now the price of Bitcoin is worth 352.4 million. So let's continue to read on this. In order to ensure each NFT is verifiably unique, Rare Pizza integrated Chainlink VRF, verifiable random function, to secure the pizza creation process end to end, indefinitely better than Pump Pizza. Pump Pizza. We'll see. We'll see. All right, this is a good news. And then let's click to continue to go on with the other news. Aside from the Pizza DAO, we have all right. Uphold executive accused of fraudulently misdirecting $700,000 in funds. No, let's go past that. An interview with Chainlink's Sergev Nazarov. Okay, you guys know have heard that news already. Yung pizza, so something has to do with Chainlink. Let's go with something that's more interesting. Nebraska legislature approves framework for digital asset bank. This is really good, good development, and I think the other states would need to follow because there's going to be a time when all of the other banks will start accepting digital assets, no, such as Bitcoin, Polkadot, and other digital assets, no, and so on and so forth, right? So okay, that's the latest for CoinDesk. Let's look into the other news. Let's go to Coin Market Cap for today. Let's just quickly go on and have a read out of the performance of our favorite coins, the top 10 as usual. Um, Okay, the cryptocurrency market cap, it's actually up from kanina. It was 1.58 trillion. Now it's up to 1.62 trillion. Global crypto market cap, it's still a negative 9.24% decrease from the last day. Bitcoin is already up at $38,000. Kanina when we were reviewing, this was only at $36,000. Ethereum at 2419, still down as of the day at 11.96%. Cardano up at 1.56. Kaninang 5 o'clock, so this was 1.51. Binance Coin, 323.29, still down negative 16.20%. And then Dogecoin at 0.34, still low, no? Kanina it was 0.35, still hovering within that range. XRP 0.93, it's baby steps improvement from a 0.75 up to 0.84. Kanina when we were reviewing, it was a 0.91. Kaninang 5 o'clock, now it's up to 0.93. Let's see if it tries to break out the $1 value within the day. Let's go on with the other coins. Solana at 36.93%. Sorry, $36.93. Polygon Matic 1.39. VeChain, it's at 0.0178. And then Tether, it's at 6.59. TRX at 0.07721. Also all down. It's actually following the trend of Bitcoin. AAV at 346.94. And I think that's pretty much the list of the coins, including the ones that we have actually created a video about. No, so uh, nothing as much changed in terms of liquidations earlier for this Saturday. Still, for let me just try to refresh this, guys. Okay, not much has changed. It's still 51.37 million. I think people are realizing that the market is still very volatile. So very small liquidations versus the ones yesterday at 340 million, and the day before that on Wednesday, almost 2.18 billion got liquidated. No, in terms of Bitcoin, so it's really volatile environment still. So please, I don't encourage you to. If you're a newbie, please take the assessment questionnaire that I created. Please take that. There's a video on how to take that before you even enter the futures trading. No, so comment down below kung natapos nyo na yung questionnaire and what is your score. No, please share your score. And do you agree with your score? Okay, do you agree with your score? Please comment down below. What is your score and do you agree on your score? Let me know. Let the others know about your score. Okay. All right. Let's move on with the other news. By the way, I will, as I promised, I'm gonna be sending over the screener. Let me just quickly do that right now. In fact, ang screener kasi natin parang feeling ko wala tong makakagip today because sobrang negative ng market. No, we'll see if there's gonna be some RSIs here. Let's do some RSI. Premium. Let's go RSI 30 overbought. Let me see if there's gonna be any overbought situations here. I don't think there's any. Dalawa lang. This is even USD, so these are fiat currency. So it's up to you to consider this. If you're looking at it right now, just take a look at my screen. It's USDT NGN. Okay, and then let's go on with the other filters. Any go technical. Let's go with MACD crossover bullish. Let's click run. We have three. Let me send it right now to all of you. Anyways, it's not allowing me to capture the screen because I'm broadcasting. I think this one is allowing it. Okay. Good, yan. Okay, I'm gonna be sending it to all of you today, no? Just want to make sure I remind myself there. And then let's do on with the regular um, charting. And let me just quickly go on with our Twitter verse, no? For those that have not attended my live earlier, there was a news about this was the article from XRP, no? That was about ano ba yung progress, ano ba yung journey, no, ng SEC versus Ripple Labs, no? Where is it right now? Where does the law firm think that they're gonna be going? So we'll see. All right, and then let's go with yeah, kanina guys, if you did not attend my 5 o'clock session, medyo nag ano tayo doon, nag heart to heart conversation. Nagkaroon tayo ng come to Coach Miranda conversation. Hindi siya come to Jesus conversation, no? Nagkaroon tayo ng ganung conversation because ang dami kong nakikita, although tumigil na siya, which is really good na bawasan na. Kanina very very emotional yung yung social media because everything that they're seeing very negative. And one of the major things that I shared there is that you need to assess yourself, no? If you're not ready to be into the volatility of cryptocurrency, then you might as well just close down your Facebook or sorry your Binance account and just don't look at your wallet, no? Right? Because true enough, no, when in this particular example, let me just really give you a quick example here. Kung nag-panic sell ka nung May 19 at 7 in the evening and the BTC price was $32,000, on the same day, the next day, the BTC price was $42,000. And then nung alas 5 ng May 22, the price went down again to 34 and right now as we speak it's up to 36, no? So there's really a lot of volatility on this crypto and kung ikaw magkapatalo in terms of volatility and you're impatient, no? Then definitely this is going to really cost you a lot of money, no? It's going to cost you a lot of money and this is not going to be for you, right? So just be mindful, very mindful of that chart, no? And then the trend that you're seeing today, and in lieu of that, no, in line of that, let me quickly read some of the comments here. Ano kayang score nila? Okay, okay. USDT lang ang matatag, yes, because that's a very stable coin. That's why it's called fiat currency. Di pa ako tapos sa 201 coach. Hello po. Okay, so punta ka muna doon and then panoorin mo na din yung ating the video personality assessment today, okay? Si Ace Forte, 19 daw ang score niya. So pag 19 ka, doon ka muna sa spot trading, wag ka muna mag-futures Ace. Okay? So Ventilador Gaming, 24 po coach. Agree daw siya, 24. Okay. Galamax, 30, feeling contented. Okay. Ang alam kong 30, dapat doon ka muna sa sa let me open that. Yan, no? 30, doon ka muna sa spot trading, no? But do not do derivatives yet because you need to continue learning the indicators and price action strategy, right? So alamin mo muna yan, no? Alamin mo muna yan and then if you got an above 33, then that's gonna be the time you are ready to do futures. Pero may paliwanag ako dyan, basahin mo. Go to my video, okay? Alright. Christian Mark, 31 lang daw siya. Okay, very good. Mark Anthony, hindi ka ba 45? Wala po yatang 45 doon sa samples natin, sa mga totals natin. Sa budget lang daw nalugi. Okay, we'll see. Burugudoy, 32 points. One more point to be able to do futures. Pero wag yung dayain, ha? Guys, be truthful about it, okay? But there's still room for improvement. Tama yan. You know, you need to be... you need to admit what is your opportunity. It starts from there, diba? It starts from an admission. It starts with awareness. No, if you know where your opportunities are, then you will be able to be very successful, diba? And then Alkaizar Alawadin, hello coach, hello then RLLCG, hello po coach, hello then. Gabriel Gomez, Galam, okay. 31 moderate, si Gabriel, okay. Romel Seya, 24 daw siya and he agrees. Okay, very good. Saan makikita yung question? Cheryl, wag po munang magsagot ng question. Bumunta po muna tayo sa video natin sa YouTube. Galamax, if you could do me a favor, punta ka naman dun. Actually, ako na lang. Kaya ko naman siguro dito yan. So, punta kayo dun sa ating video. Sinend ko na yan kanina sa taas. Ito. I-resend ko na lang, no? you need to be able to watch the video first para maintindihan ninyo how to interpret and how to use. Ayan, sinend ko na sa link, guys. How to use the personality assessment questionnaire, no? Kailangan nyo gamitin yan. Okay? Alright, let's move on. Some of what's happening in the Twitterverse. Let's go and find Elon Musk. Mr. Elon. So he was meron siyang kaninang tweet lang, no. I think that's isa lang yung tweet niya kanina. Sabi niya dito is yan. Well, Cyber Viking matagal na yan, May 20, and then any sufficiently advanced magic is indistinguishable from technology, right? Okay, and then there's Michael Saylor. Let's open his message. Mga inatabayan na natin yan. Sabi ni Michael Saylor was 19 minutes ago, there is a long-standing human desire to hold an asset that feels separate and apart from the day-to-day workings of the government. Yeah, that's true because Bitcoin is poised to be driving DeFi or decentralized finance, right? So, yun. So, a really interesting, really interesting article. Pompliano, sabi niya, building, let me try to open Pompliano. Pompliano Investments. Let's look into their news. Yeah, today's the first day that Bitcoin Pizza will be delivering in Boston, New York, DC, Miami, Chicago, Austin, Houston, Seattle, Bay Area, Los Angeles. Every order supports a small business and Bitcoin developers. This is really good. At least something that could help alleviate the FUD or the FUD. And then this is okay. Welcome to the Bitcoin Pizza Party. This is the Shark Tank. Kevin O'Leary. Okay, this is Kevin O'Leary. Interesting. I love it. Okay, we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, I think this is at least some positive catalyst, no, for BTC so far, and I hope that this is something that hopefully tries to reverberate very well and kind of neutralize the negativity in the market today, no. At least the whales, sila yung mga nagpo-push na mag balance, no, in terms of the market sentiment ngayon, in terms of market sentiment. So we'll see about that and more information. Let's click on Vitalik, Ethereum. I like his statement here, fable of the dragon tyrant. Not mine, but it's important. I'm speaking about what will happen. Okay, this is done. Not much of a Twitter guy. If there's anything that's new. Okay, let's quickly check on BTC. What's happening in the BTC world today over the past 24 hours. Okay, latest. And not much is new here. Kaya may mga ganito na, no? May mga ganitong mga GIF na going up on Bitcoin. So we'll see. And then, by the way, I was reading cryptocurrency kanina. You could also use this particular website to click on what are the upcoming airdrop calendars that's actually upcoming over the next couple of days. So just click on that and you'll be able to find other ongoing airdrops. Just click on the project and then you will see any mga requirements nila to participate on the upcoming airdrop, right? So just click on that and join airdrop and then just click on what are the things that they wanted to be able to do. Para makasali ka, you're probably gonna be able to get some of their tokens, to be given to your wallet. No? So airdrop basically means they're trying to give a sampling of the token or the coin. They're just distributing it for free. So they're airdropping the coin or the token. So something that kung wala kang ginagawa, punta kayo sa airdrop ng coin market cap, salihan nyo lahat yan. Lahat yan salihan nyo. Sayang yan if those are gonna be free coins or tokens to be given to your wallet, right? So for example, itong Cora Finance, they're giving 300 Cora, right? 1,000 winners, no? And then Bird Finance, 6 million birds gonna be given. There's 2,000 number of winners. And Scale Swap, 1,000 winners, right? Etc. Etc. So Doge Mars, 1,000 winners. You're gonna be giving 24.52 billion Elon, right? And then so I think something for you guys to look forward to, no? Okay, let's quickly go on with our charting. Before we go ahead, let me just read some more of your comments, no? So Ano po yung catalyst? Catalyst means it's a driver. It is a noose. It is a force. It is an element that's driving the price of a coin to go positive or negative, no? Ano ang wallet address sa Binance or sa MetaMask? So mahanap mo 'yan, punta ka sa sa MetaMask mo, click mo yung Binance mo, tapos click mo yung wallet ID mo to receive, hindi to send, to receive. So click mo lang 'yan, and even to your Trust Wallet, just get it from there. Okay? April Rose, habol daw siya. Okay lang, habol-habol ka lang. Thank you. Pa-attendance na lang daw siya muna. Nice to meet you again here. I think kanina I also see you there. So, thank you for joining consistently. Tapusin ko daw muna yung live ni Coach na panoorin na raw niya yung questionnaire. So, that's fine. Thank you, Kenneth. Salamat, salamat. Okay. June Bandol. Yes, present ka ngayon sa tatlong live. At ni-remind mo pa ako na kailangan hindi ako nakamute, di ba? Tama yan, ikaw na magiging daily reminders ko. Okay, let's quickly do our charting for today before we all sleep for the night in Manila. No? So, let's quickly go on the 15 minutes time frame for Bitcoin. It is actually showing, tinan nyo yung sinasabi ko, no? Ayan, 38 na naman siya, di ba? Yung mga nag-freak out na naka-34 na lang daw, umabot pa ng 30, in 2 days ago. Ganyan talaga ang performance ng coin, di ba? Because of the positive catalyst, yung Bitcoin pizza, tingnan mo what's happening with the coin today. 'Di ba? So, yan, bumaba ng 33,000, now up ng 38. Tataas na, tapos baba na naman yan, 'di ba? So, it's really up to you, no? Kasi sa yan eh, ako lang naman, I keep on saying, help it consolidate first, no? Huwag kayo munang pumasok kung wala ka pang position, 'di ba? Kasi it would still need to continue to build or consolidate. It should still go, it needs to go sideways, no? All right, let's quickly chart this baby here, no, before we wrap this up. Let's go with this line. Sorry, nakuha yung line na yun. Okay, let's me do this. Okay, meron na siyang pag-drop. Tingnan natin kung tutuloy-tuloy itong drop na to, no? We'll see. All right, we'll see. We'll see if this one will go further drop. There is already a prison out candle, but this one is a mini doji. We'll see another candle if it confirms the drop. Baba tayo ng 5 minutes kung nag-drop na yan pababa. Tinan mo hindi, di ba? Nagkaroon ng green candle pataas eh. So, mukhang it's a fake breakout. We'll see, no? We'll see on this, no? Okay. And then, we will go on with the Ethereum. Ethereum, USDT. The same thing. It's actually forming a sort of a box here, no? We'll see about this, no? We'll see. May pag-breakout already. Okay. And we'll see there's already sort of a breakout. And this one, it's actually retesting the resistance 2486 and then 2479. Ilang beses nag-bounce 1, 2. No, we'll see about that. And then it looks like this is a very strong resistance line. This one. Ang dami na untog dyan. Nakikita nyo yan, guys. Ang dami na untog, oh. So we have a total of 1, 2, 3. So very strong resistance line, 2483, 2470. We'll see. We'll see if this will continue, no? And may pagka-form ng cup and handle to dito. So, pag sa mga may alam na ng cup and handle, kaway-kaway dyan, alam ng basahin ng cup and handle based on our session kanina, no? Alright, we'll see about that. And then we'll see, may pagkaroon ng parallel dito. Pag ito nag-breakout ng handle niya, then most likely this can further go up higher, no? Medyo matatag tong bibig ng baso. We'll see about this, no? We'll see about this. So, we'll see. Okay, so that is for Ethereum. Of course, pasok pag nabasag yung resistance. And then from a support perspective, it's very still erratic, no? May pagka sideways in a little bit, but let us wait for consolidation ng coin na to. Kung wala pa kayong position, and then medyo sa baba, let's see. Okay, horizontal, ang all-time low is 2100. This was way back May 21. Halos sa alas 10 na ng gabi, no, at the same time. And then the next one is very, very volatile coin. Very volatile coin, right? But it looks like if you're gonna be day trading, just look for the breakout of the resistance on 2483, no? Um, and then this one, medyo naglalaro tong hawakan niya, it should break out this particular resistance line. No? So we'll see about that. I will see. And let's go with Dogecoin. I think it's gonna be almost the same. Yeah, it's almost the same, guys. It's forming a cup and handle as well. It's forming a very strong resistance here, no, in this particular area. So, ang daming nag-bounce na resistance. 1, 2, 3. Actually, within here, no? Ang daming this one. Yeah, within the 0.36 area. Within the 0.36 area, ang daming resistance na bumababa, no? Hindi kayang basagin. So we'll see. We'll see if this is a very strong resistance, 0.36. And based on the 5-minute reading, pag nabasag to, baka tumaas pa to pataas. 1 hour, if you go to the 1 hour, this is a good trend. We'll see. Okay, this one. We'll see about this, no? It's forming a strong triangle here. And if it breaks out this, if it breaks out the 0.35 resistance, pag tapos binasag pa niya yung point for 35,978 and 0.36, this one could further even go higher to above 37, no? May potential pero kailangan niyang basagin yung mga resistance lines na yan, and ilang beses nag-bounce sa 0.31 and 0.31 line, no? Atras tayo. Way back April 30 already. Okay, BNB. Let's go with BNB today. Quickly chart lang tayo. Almost the same, guys. Almost the same. Let me do some quick charts here. Let's do trend line. If this one breaks out this line, we'll see. And then this is a very strong reading of the support line. This one. Nag-bounce 297, 296, and 292, no? So nagba-bounce lang dito from this particular support. And this is an inverted cup and handle, but hoping that this breaks out at 300 plus, and we'll see, no? We'll see if this one can further penetrate the resistance line. Baba tayo sa 15 minutes. We'll see if this one will penetrate and see what's the other candle. May pagka-green na ngayon yung ibang coins, no? Based on, yeah. Ayan, so kailangan niyang basagin yan. Baba tayo konti. Yan, may pagka-double bottom siya dito, no? So, kailangan nyo itong basagin, itong area na to. So, we'll do a polyline 1, 2, 3. Yan, yan yung line niya. Okay? Alright, let's go on with, I think we're done. XRP na lang tayo, 0.93 na. Really, really good. Kanina, 0.79 to, no? Sa mga hindi nakapag-antay, natalo na sila. It was actually down. Yan. So, it was actually down all-time low of 0.81, no? Magsak ng 0.81 yan. And let me just do some quick math here. From this one to this one. Okay, in a span of 9 hours and 30 minutes, it has grown to almost 17.3%. In 9 hours and 30 minutes, actually, babaan natin dito ng konti yan. Well, it grew already 14.06%, no, in a span of 9 hours. So kung medyo atat-kat di ka masyadong patient, yun, hindi ka nakinig kay coach kanina, nagbenta ka na siguro sa baba, and it's trying to create another attempt to break out from support, no? So, ayan ang mga examples na sinasabi natin na huwag tayong impatient. We're very impatient kasi. Okay? So, another line we need to consider, we go with the trend line here. Mukhang matagal-tagal ko niyang babasagin yung resistance lines na yan. We'll see about that, no? If this one potentially goes upwards, kailangan lang yung tuloy-tuloy basagin yan. And then, strong yung support sa baba, 0.81. Yun yung pinakamalalim niya. No? And then, when we look into the channel reading today, parallel channel. Okay, we'll do some reading here. Okay, may pag-breakout na siya. May channel down breakout already. There was a candle that already confirmed. Yan, pababa na siya. Baba tayo ng 5 minutes. It further went downward. So medyo may potential for this to go down. But as I've said, no, don't panic. No? Don't panic. Because true enough, after 9 hours, sino mo nangyari sa coins, di ba? And every time nagbe-breakout, tinan yung nangyayari sa coins. Guys, look at this closely, no? Look at this very much closely. Every time nagbe-break out yung coin, look at what's happening, no? If you are a shorter, if you're doing nagso-shorting ka, magandang opportunity gamitin tong channel down. Okay? All right. Let me go with one more. Hang on. Okay. All right. Let me go with the other questions, guys. I think mabilis tayo lang today, no? Let's go with may bago daw pong tweet si Elon. Let me look at that. May bago ba siyang tweet? We'll see. Anong tweet niya? Type mo dyan sa box nida. No? Ang tweet ni Kuya Elon. Baka si Elon lang yan na ano, yung taga-group natin. Siya lang ba yun? Yeah, sabihin mo sa akin, sige. Positive, na may nag-comment bipolar daw si Elon. Okay. Alright. Okay, let me look at hit the like button, guys. Thank you. Yes, please hit the like button. Thank you, thank you. Let me quickly go with other charts. Other questions. Yung tinuturo niyo po ba ang TA pwedeng i-apply sa stock? Yes. Pwedeng gamitin sa stock market yan. You can. Just make sure lang ng, if you go to the stock market, maghanap ka ng may volume. Okay? It's important factor ang volume kasi. Lalo na pag stock market, pag hindi liquid yung coin, stock na bibilihin mo, huwag kang pumasok basta-basta kasi may ipit ka. Okay? Needed button, done po. Okay, thank you. The true battle is in between fiat and crypto. On balance, I support the latter. Hi, Coach Shorem. It's okay, Emmanuel. Thank you. Thank you pa attendance muna. Shorting ba ay para ding day trading? Ang shorting is, ang day trading is iba sa shorting, no? Ang day trading is ang tawag sa trader na you are actually going to buy and sell within hours, within the day, no? So 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, yan. Tapos kapag sinasabi nating shorting, it is a trading style wherein you are expecting the coin to go down. The price of the coin is going to be down. No, you're expecting the price to go down and you're looking at it on futures. No, you're anticipating the price of the coin in the future to go down. That's why it's called shorting. Ang kabaligtaran ng shorting, you're doing buy long. Yan, ang bilis ng red candle, 'di ba? Tama yung charting natin, no? Ang haba ng red. So we'll see. Okay, don't freak out, guys. It is a trend, no? Okay. Eating caldereta while learning. Wow, ang sarap naman, no? Sarap, sarap, sarap. Okay, yung risk-reward ratio po ba, coach, is standard na yung pwedeng sundin, pwedeng hindi. Kapag newbie ka, you need to have a risk-reward ratio of 2.0 and above. Okay, if you're newbie, do not go down below 2% or maximum of 5% ng loss mo. Put a stop loss already. Right? Because with this volatility, you'll just lose your money. Okay? Okay, what other questions do you have? Medyo tahimik kayo today ah. Medyo tahimik ang 10 o'clock group ha. Medyo tahimik compared sa 5 o'clock. Ang daming tao sa 5 o'clock. Medyo maingay doon kanina. So, okay, let's quickly read other notes. Tanong lang kayo. I'm gonna be reading some Q&As and then we will go with our charting. Okay, sa mga bago, please also click on this particular video on the personality assessment. Okay, would you consider staking as a safe option now? If you do staking, wag muna sa wag muna sa DeFi staking, no? Pag hindi pa kayo, if you did not get the score of 33 and above, wag muna kayo magdi-DeFi staking. Very risky 'yon. Okay? Baka daw pinalo na daw ng asawa niya. Na-overload na coach, fourth video mo na today. Wag mo nang ma-overload. Okay, maghihinto muna tayo na siguro mga 10 minutes, hinto na tayo. 9:40. By the way, guys, 45 minutes lang tayo dapat ha. Nag-extend lang tayo lagi. Okay. Pwede po bang mag-scale in the future? What do you mean mag-scale in the future? Applicable pa ba sa scalping now? Pwede kang mag-scalp, lagi kong sinasabi pwede, basta sa loob ka ng box na to. Huwag kang magsa-scalp sa mga malapit ng malaglag na situations, no? Plano, maligay ka muna ng ganitong channel sa 1 hour or 15 minutes para malagyan mo siya ng box, no? Pag malagyan mo siya ng box, sa gitna ka niya mag-trade. Okay, medyo risky kasi ang trading pag bearish ang market. So kailangan may mga safety nets kayo, okay? Ralph, ask ko lang if applicable ang pattern sa lahat ng time frame. Yes, tama, applicable yan. Tulad ng ginagawa ko. Kasi makikita mo naman tingnan mo, nasa 30 minutes ako, di ba may pattern pa din. Nakita niyo yan? Pag kung bumaba ako ng 15 minutes, may pattern pa din yan. Lumiliit lang dumadami lang yung candle, no? Another one will do another pattern. Let's do a 5 minutes. Ayan, diba? O, may pattern pa din. Doon pa rin siya sa loob, no? Ganun pa din siya. Okay? Pwede bang DCA sa futures? Lagyan mo lang syempre ng stop losses and take profit, 'di ba? Kasi may liquidation ng futures, no? Pwede kang ma-liquidate lalo na kung mataas ang leverage mo, mataas ang let's say naka 10x ka or 20x, no? Are you bullish on any coin for long term? I mean, are you also into long term? Yes, I'm really on a long term. And that's the reason why meron akong mga entry level sa Doge sa as low as 0.19. Meron akong Doge na 0.10. May mga ganyan akong level ng Doge ngayon, no? So long term ako. Okay, Ralph, love you. I love you too. Love you too, pare. Love you too, Paps. All right, Euphony Express. Thank you, Coach, for feeding us with all of this information. Wala pong anuman. Um, Sample to read volume. Bukas na lang yung volume indicator natin. Galamax, explain natin ng mas maayos yan. Coach pa chart ng BLC. Coach, nag-TP ako ng interest sa isang coin, then nag-bearish siya, tapos nag-buy ako sa dip niya. Ano po mangyayari? Nag-TP ka sa interest sa isang coin, then naiwan yung principal mo, nag-bearish siya, tapos nag-buy ako sa dip niya. Eh di, nadagdagan yung number of coins mo, Aris. Dagdagan yung coins mo na naka I think if you're talking about interest, baka naka-flexible savings ka ba or naka DeFi ka din, no? Sige, explain mo 'yan sa akin, no? Um, baka pizza na yung ma-type ko, no? ELC USDT, no? Alam niyo ba ang Shakey's, ang pangalan niya sa stock market, pizza. Ayan, pizza yan, Shakey's yan. Nakita niyo ang kanyang stock market, no? Walang ka-volume. 52 lang yung nag-trade kanina. Kahapon pala. 52 trades. Ay, naku, walang volume talaga sa stock market. Nakakainis. Bearish eh. Let's do BLZ. Okay? Let's do BLZ. I think this is the right one. Okay. Oh. Ganda. Ganda nito. Oh. Kasi may breakout na siya eh. me see, no? Ayan, nagkaroon na ng pagbasag sa ilalim eh. Akit tayo ng 15 minutes. Okay. Well, this is probably going up higher. Ang ganda, oh. We'll see. Yun. This is good. Ang ganda. I love it. Ang ganda ng chart, oh. Ayan, nag-breakout na siya. Let's do a parallel channel. Okay. Ayan, may pag-breakout na siya eh. No? And then, another way to look at it is kailangan niyang basagin tong resistance lines na to. 3 beses nag-correct. Diba? 3 beses siya bumagsak. Okay? Let's go on with okay, lagyan natin ng ito 1 2 3. 3 beses na eh. Kailangan niyang basagin 'yan, no? Kailangan niyang mabasag 'yan. Tapos strong resistance din 'to, no? This one. Strong din to 1 and 2 dahil halos dalawa yung nag-bounce sa correct sa area na yan, 1 and 2 and almost this 1 3. So 0.27 is the second resistance to break, and then this line kailangan niya i-break ang 0.20 for BLC. Okay? All right. Sa Doge po, coach, nag-entry po ako sa 0.4, umabot na siya ng last time na 0.60, then kinuha ko po yung 0.10. You don't get the 0.10 ha. I don't get it. Hindi ko mag-gets yung tanong ni Aris. PM mo na lang ako, Aris, okay? Kung coach, ang sabi niyo po 5% risk management is nakikita sa PNL. If so, hindi po ba siya masyadong maliit na room to give space para hindi. That's a very good question yan ah. That's a very good question. Bakit ko nililimit yung risk management ninyo? Kasi dapat naghahanap ka ng mga plays na within 5% lang. Okay, huwag kang maghanap ng malalapad na very volatile na range plays kasi very risky 'yon, no? Huwag kang maghanap ng mas malalapad na volatile na kailangan mong itugma yung risk management mo because it should be the other way around. Maghanap ka ng mga coins or ng mga plays na where you could fit the 5% range. So ibig sabihin nun, maghahanap ka ng mga coins na hindi ganito kalalapad yung volatility. No, in a span of 113.50, 150, this is in a span of less than 18 hours pumalo na ng almost yung bagsak ng coin na BLC, no. Itong coin na to bumagsak na siya ng halos let me just check, no. Yeah, in a span of 18 hours bumagsak ng 60%. Huwag kayong maghahanap ng mga ganyang coins, no. Look for those with really less volatility and try to force the fiber. But very good question yun. Magandang tanong yan. Okay, maybe last 2 questions for tonight, no? eToro yan. No, I'm not you. This is Investagrams, no? Na-try nyo na po ba mag-swing trade sa futures? Delikadong mag-swing trade sa futures ha because sobrang volatile ngayon. Baka ma-wipe out ka. Okay? Make sure na may stop losses kayo. Okay? Hindi pang swing trading ang futures unless ang leverage mo 3x lang or 2x. Okay? Pag bahagip kayo, pagising nyo, wala na yung wallet nyo, bus na, zero na. Okay? Mimi Q, thank you so much sa pagtsatsaga na magturo sa aming lahat, God. Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat din. Okay? Guys, it's 10:45 of the day. Habol na lang tayo sa mga questions. Sa PM na lang ako sa Facebook, no? Guys, maraming salamat. This is a very busy day sa atin, no? Nagturo tayo ng 2 beses. Tapos, meron tayong almost 1 hour and a half na lecture Saturday series natin on Technical Indicators 201. Medyo nakakapagod pero nawawala yung pagod ko kapag nakikita ko kayo mag-smile, di ba? Masasaya kayong lahat ng mga kausap no? You're very, very good na kausap. So, after this, tutulog muna siguro ako si Coach. Huwag niyo muna ako expect mag-reply. Siguro bukas na titignan ko yung mga questions ninyo, ha? Para matuto kayo, tsagain natin 'yan. Pero darating ang panahon baka mas magaling pa kayo sa akin, 'di ba? So tuloy-tuloy niyo lang yung pag-aaral. Okay, pangako niyo sa sarili niyo 'yan. You will invest on knowledge, you will invest on learning habang ganito pa kagulo yung market. Pag bata ka pa, aralin mo lang, no? Aralin mo lang ang ang coin market. Para sa sa'yo 'yan. Hindi naman 'yan para sa akin, It's gonna be up for you to learn, no? Okay, so guys, with that said, I love all of you. Congratulations again. Congratulations, 10,000 subscribers. I hope itong 157 viewers magla-like din. I-like nyo naman tong live natin ngayon. Click nyo yung smash the like button sa baba para marami tayong engagements, no? And then, guys, I love all of you. We will continue to further increase our community. Share nyo community natin sa mga friends nyo, sa mga circles ninyo. Kung makita kayo mga tao na naliligaw, nagtatanong ng mga simple questions na alam nyo na pwedeng matulungan ng community natin, bring them to our community, no? Tell them our live sessions, bring them to our Facebook groups, to our Discord channel. We will all help them, all right? Guys, with that said, I love all of you. Happy Saturday night. Ingat-ingat. Have a good rest of your malamig na evening. And I love you wherever you are in the world. Maraming salamat. And ingat kayo lagi. Coach Miranda loves all of you. I love you guys.